Introducing Accutive Data Discovery and Masking, an innovative way to discover and mask millions of records in mere minutes. Accutive Data Discovery and Masking, or ADM, can be leveraged for a wide variety of business use cases, including, but not limited to, discovering and reporting on unknown sensitive data, for example, during M&A or auditing processes, development and testing against production-like data, cloud migrations and moving data to SaaS solutions, preserving data consistency, securely sharing your data with external parties, such as fintechs, protecting sensitive core banking data. ADM is compatible with all major core banking systems. With ADM, you are empowered to innovate faster by securely partnering with fintechs without worrying about your sensitive data. ADM also enables you to protect your sensitive data, such as PII and PCI, in minutes. The bottom line is that ADM can transform your IT practice by facilitating enhanced testing, development, and reporting. Now let's see how ADM works. Let's start at the source, database that is. As you can see, we have 1 million records in our customer table here on Microsoft SQL Server. Click Execute and it confirms 1 million records. Let's start by looking at record 1 as an example. Try to remember Cynthia's details as we'll be returning to this record in a minute. Now, let's turn our attention to our destination database, or DB2. As you can see, it is empty with 0 seconds. Now let's actually run the ADM and see what happens. In a mere 20 to 24 seconds, ADM will be performing 6 million masking operations. That is 6 different masks for 1 million records. Returning to our destination database, DB2, let's run another count. As you recall, we previously had 0 records, and now we have 1 million. Looking at record 1, you will notice that Cynthia has now transformed into CPUS, with a new name, formatted social security number, a realistic email using the first-last name combo, a valid driver's license, and a phone number. Now let's peek behind the curtain a little bit and take a look at the ADM dashboard. Let's start by looking at our regulatory compliance scan groups. As you can see, we have preloaded some of the most common privacy and security standards into ADM. PII, PCI, GDPR, and California's CCPA, just to name a few. Now let's use PII as an example and dive into how it is defined. As you can see, the PII scan group is comprised of scan fields. You can edit the fields for each group or create your own custom scan group. Additionally, you can also edit the fields themselves to change the regular expression that defines the field. The same applies to the scan values, which can be edited using Groovy scripting. Accutive data discovery and masking can be easily customized to suit your specific data needs. Next, let's quickly delve into a data discovery configuration. Input your name, source, scan groups. In this case, we are selecting PII and GDPR, then click Save and Scan. It's just that easy to produce a data discovery report, which shows you where your sensitive data can be found based on the selected scan groups. This report is fully searchable and can be exported to CSV to share with your auditors or other stakeholders. As mentioned, ADM is compatible with a wide range of databases. Here, you can see ADM working with Postgres. As a final note, ADM keeps track of audit logs. With blockchain-powered audit logs, you can monitor your team's usage of your ADM deployment. Additionally, it has built-in validation watermarks that will detect if an audit trail has been tampered with. To recap, in 4 simple steps, ADM empowers you to protect your data and accelerate your processes. It's as simple as discover, mask, log, and report. Visit Accutive Security to learn more about our powerful ADM tool.